We were all over the place, but first we're going to start the show tonight with a Vigo County showdown as Terre Haute North hosted West Vigo. These are two teams right now heading in the opposite direction. The Patriots are red hot. They've won 7 straight. As for the Vikings, after a 4-0 start to the season, they have dropped 3 of 4. The Patriots and Vikings met tonight on the north side. North guard Chase Jones honored before the game for making the Pizza Hut alternate team, as was his teammate Justin Gant. Big night for Gant. He also received the game ball for reaching the 1,000-point mark in his career. First quarter, nice ball movement by North. Jake Newton, bullseye on the 3. West Vigo always has strong guard play. The Vikings, Cade Lindsey with a nice take to the 10 and a finish. West Vigo's defense was all centered on Justin Gant tonight. The Patriots big man still scores. He was limited to just 4 points, but they didn't need him. The Vikings tried to hang with North as long as they could. Here's Jordan Hauser with a sweet teardrop in the lane. Usually Gant scores on Chase Jones' assist. Role reversal here. Gant feeds Jones, who scores on the sweet layup. I love to see kids develop and improve throughout their high school careers. Chase Jones is the epitome of that. Jones, the 3, he had 11. Logan Shipley, the senior, led North with 14 tonight. He gets the steal and goes the other way. Great defense. This kid brings it every single night. Terre Haute North crushes West Vigo 72-35, make it 8 straight wins for the Patriots.